Fart Faces, it's me, Beth B. Today we're going to talk about new storage options, well, new to me storage options. I have a video that I previously filmed about storage that I had, like the storage options that I had before, which I'll link down in the description box below. But today I want to show you some new to me ones. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. All you have to do is click the subscribe button over here, some red button over here, and hit the bell notification and you'll get notified when I post new videos. So let's get into this. The first one we'll look at is these drawer things from One Day Saving. So these were sent to me for review. Thank you very much to the folks at One Day Saving. I was like, I've seen other people have these and I was like, I really need to try those. I wonder what they're like. I really like how it's very compact. So this was sent to me from One Day Saving. Again, I did not buy these. These were sent to me for review. Ooh, they included a funnel. Okay. Get rid of the garbage here. So they did include a funnel. Very nice. That was my Borat impression. Did you like it? Okay. So here's a funnel. I'm guessing so. This is really nice. So you can pour the drills into here and then I'll show you what the containers look like. So I have two drawers. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this will hold 35 different colors. And inside we have little bottles. So what you would do is use the funnel and then pour your drills into the funnel and then they would go into the container. I'm guessing. I probably wouldn't use a funnel because really all I would do is just take my tray and then pour it right directly into the container. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22, 40, no, that's not right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22, so 22 times 2, math, 44. So I guess this holds, I'm guessing this holds 44. Oh, and on the bottom, it looks like there are some labels they've included as well. So for me, when I'm using these storage containers, I would put the labels on the top. I would probably just number them 1 to 44. So I guess there's 44. I don't know why I thought 35, but these actually slide on to each other. Oops. Do they slide onto each other? How'd they do it? They slide onto each other, so if you're like, ugh, oh no, my drill thing fell over, it like will fall over as a tower. Or you can separate them and have them on your desk like this. My desk is not big enough to have these like this. I would have to have them stacked. Oops, that's a little tricky. Or maybe that's just tricky for me because, okay. So they do lock like that, and then when you get more containers, they also, I believe they also lock on the side. Yeah, so they also lock on the side, so you can have them side by side. See how, like, they're locked up. So they're not going to go anywhere. You can keep them in order. You could technically just keep a stack of these on your desk and keep kitting up your diamond paintings with them. So thank you very much to One Day Saving for sending me these. These will be really good. And oh, they also have little hooks. So if you want to hang them from your wall or mount them to your wall or something, you can also put them on little hooks, which is kind of neat. And yeah, I really like these. And I like that they came with labels as well. One Day Saving also sent me, where is it? They also sent me some keychains, or one keychain, and it's a K. My sister's name is Kimberly, so maybe I'll do this and give it to her as a gift. So thank you, One Day Saving, for these goodies. That is the first storage solution that I wanted to show you guys. And then we have larger Tic Tac boxes. So I honestly don't know where these came from. I don't know if someone bought them for me and sent them to me, but a long time ago on AliExpress, I ordered a set from Saner Direct, and they canceled my order because they weren't in stock or something like that, so I just never got them. And that was like months ago. And then one day in the mail, these just arrived. They just arrived. So it's like, okay, did someone buy me these? Or did someone's like, did they send them to me by accident? I don't know, but I'm very happy with these. It did come cracked, so your order might come cracked. It's cracked about here too. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is cracked there, and this corner broke off as well, but like it's still functional. And so these look like, I think these hold like 3 times as much as a normal Tic Tac container would hold. They came with these labels, so I just labeled, like I have a thing kitted up in here, I just labeled them 1 through 32, so you get 32 little containers and 1 big plastic container to hold all of them. The one thing that I did notice about these is that some, like these, the lids aren't, like it doesn't take a lot of effort to take the lids off some of them. Only some of them it's fine. So when I was pouring out drills, the lid just came off and all the drills went into the tray, thankfully into the tray. So you just have to be careful with the lids. And honestly, like after that happened, I've just been going like this and pouring them out into the tray. And then when I'm returning the drills back into here, when I'm returning the drills back into here, I just take the lid off. So I haven't really been using this little mouthpiece for it because you can, like, it's a bit difficult to navigate to make sure all of your drills go into this mouthpiece. So I've just been using this lid as an actual lid and not for the mouthpiece. So I really like these. They do hold quite a bit. Here's one that is full, so you can kind of get a feeling for how much they would hold. Yeah, I like these a lot. I like that they come in this little container. I am not a big fan of the other Tic Tac boxes. Do I have them by me? Are these it? No. So I don't know where my other Tic Tac boxes are. Probably in the garbage, hopefully. But the typical Tic Tac boxes, like the regular size ones, I am not a fan of those. They do not hold anything, and they're annoying to pour drills out from. So I am a fan of these though. They do hold a decent amount. So these are another option for you. Again, I got these on AliExpress, but I believe Amazon.com, like for the US people, they do have them on Amazon.com from Saner Direct. Well, I believe these are from AliExpress. I don't know how I got these, but thank you very much if someone sent them to me or whatever. Like, thank you. And then the last option I'm going to show you today, the last new to me option, are Craftmates Lockables. So you might have seen other diamond painters using this. I obviously have not used them yet. These were given to me by Melanie Perard. Thank you so much, Melanie. I love you. Melanie sent these to me a while ago, and I just haven't, like, I completely forgot that I had them because someone named Clayton moved my diamond painting stuff, and these were kind of buried in there, and I was like, oh, I forgot I had Lockables. So I am going to use them to kit up my next kit, I believe. But these are basically large storage containers. They come in strips. They come in strips. And I'll show you them. So here, and why they're called Lockables is basically because if you want to open this, it's locked. Like, you can't actually open it. But to unlock it, you press this purple tab here, and then you can open it. See? Then you can open it. Then you can see how it slides this thing. Pushing it slides this thing around. So that is what Lockables are. I believe there are, how many are there? Let's see if it says. There's a double-sided case with 7 compartments. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. With 7 compartments. What's 8 times 7? 64! Yeah, 8 times 7 is 64, right? Right. So there's 64. Oh my goodness. There's 64 of these. And you can see that you can use them for a bunch of different things. Like this would be cool as a sewing case, like they have it here. If you collect buttons for some reason, who collects buttons? That's what I want to know. And then scrapbooking, beading, whatever. But I really like, oh, you can actually buy other things for them. So that's interesting. You can buy other different types of plastic containers to go in here. So there's like makeup brushes and stuff. That's really neat. Okay, I did not know that. So there's 64 little things for your colors. I really like them. I think they hold a lot of drills, and I use these. These are from the ones you get. These containers are the ones you get for free from Distracted by Diamonds. They come with a diamond painting. So I have like a bunch of these thanks to Sandra West. I use these, and like you can tell, like there's such a huge difference between them. And these are like mini, not lockables. But so I would definitely use these in the future. They look like they hold a ton of drills. They are safe, so if you drop them, this thing isn't going to open. And yeah, I really like these. So thank you again, Melanie, for sending me these. I have unburied them from my diamond painting area, so I will use these when I kit up next. These were the new storage options to me. What do you guys use for storage? Let me know in the comments down below. And again, if you want to see my previous storage video, I will link it in the description box below. And if you are new here and you like this video, you thought it was helpful, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on an almost daily basis. And while you're at it, don't forget to like and comment down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!